I told management that this ravine that these folks have filled in, I don't know where all this water coming from. It's coming from somewhere under the ground. It's coming from under the ground. It's coming from under the ground. It's coming from under the ground. We got a water main break right here. I don't know what these people waiting on. So now, a good thing I made this ravine. You see this water? This ain't rainwater. This ain't got nothing to do with no rain. Okay, this is what's going on with the ravine. As of 2/19, it's getting worse. The water is starting to come up a little bit more higher. As you can tell, it is really streaming down the ravine. Thank God I built this ravine. Oh Lord, what would have happened up here if I didn't cut this hole in the ground? Lord, thank you. Thank you, Oshawa. Thank you, Oshawa. Thank you, Oshawa. Thank you so much for giving me the fortitude to be a man and step out and do what I need to do. I'm going to try to... Current condition of the ravine. This is taking the day on the 19th. It's one of this. I edited some stuff together for staff and management. But this is the current condition. This thing is running. It's really flowing down today. And the birds are even taking baths in this water. I don't blame them. It's a little flow of water coming down. This doesn't make any sense. But it is what it is. Because it's Fort Chaplin. 2019, 2018 for KSO. But I'm still declaring warfare on my living conditions. Getting the work done. Alright, brother, found the leak. Trying to get this. I'll cuss on all my videos. Trying to get this shit in order for Fort Chaplin. And the outcome is that the manhole was covered up by the landscapers when they came in and did the work. Okay, so we are working on it to get everything taken care of. The guys just left. I just talked to Rain and Son, all of the supervisors. They told me what the situation was. It's all of this is because of the landscapers. All of this line is a natural ravine that needs to be recut, left alone, let water flow down, and that's the natural occurrence of the line. Alright, brothers out here snaking the system. Fall down to that hole, I might not be found for a couple of weeks. Okay, I'll be down in the damn sewer hole hollering for help and there won't nobody hear me. So I done stepped it. I've heard stuff dropping real deep down in there. I can hear it. So I'm just letting you guys know that I'm doing my best to restore it back, but I'm going to, like I said, when springtime, just oversee what the landscapers are doing and just keep an eye on them this time so we can monitor them and let them know that, you know, I'm not going to accept unacceptable work, and if we work as a team, we can resuscitate. Alrighty, we pretty much do as much as we can do right now to get a stable fence back up, just to hold the fort until Matt and them get the new fence back in place. About all I can do. I'm scared to walk into this because I'm hearing stuff drop real deep. I can resuscitate. We can resuscitate our property. Okay? Alright, so me and Ron, we did as much as we can do to get it back into a presentable perimeter. And I thank you, Brother Ron, so much for your assistance. I appreciate you. Alright, this is the sewer running again. This is on Monday, 2/25. They started back up again. The guys came and they sank it, but all of a sudden it just started running again. So that's a good sign that it's something definitely really serious going on down here because the ravine has just started running again. It's Monday night. Now it's just coming straight up out of the sewer system. And this is just neglect. If you're not taking care of it, you should be taking care of it first, and that's the infrastructure. If you don't fix the infrastructure, you just not even have a playing field. Alright, so I'll be monitoring this current situation as of Monday night. Alright, rain and sun. It's day 226. Down at the second, they're down at the second, they did the first one last week, they're down at the second one to the street level today. That'll be the only thing that's happening for a big day. Alright, it's 11:26. Rain and sun. So it's clear for me to do what I need to do here. I got my gate back up. This is temporary. I talked to Gabe earlier. He said they just want to get this situation taken care of. Dealing with this snake that I did here, the vacuum cleaner company here, I do believe they did number 1, 2, and 3 today. I call this one number 3. Yeah, this is number 3, because I count them from the street up. Alright, and there's one down there where the guy is down there. One in the middle, there's 2. This one makes 3, and then whatever is up at the top of that line, somewhere makes a 4th one. I do know one thing, when they open this joint up, it stinks. And so they make it funk. This is just a shot from Matt. This is just showing him the natural ravine building itself back. I ain't got time to go out in the rain, but I'm just letting you know it's building itself back up from the hilltop. I ain't got time to go out there, but it's gonna cut through. It's coming back down the hill. It's gonna cut. And it's coming back down. It's landing itself right here. And it's cutting right back through here. And it's making its natural course back down this hill. So the ravine is going to cut back through, like I said in the early videos. God will cut his ravine back in.